Okay, let's get to work. We're going to take a little trip down to Mediterranean Lane today. I'm chopping up some red onions, jalapenos for some heat. This is always a really good touch when I'm stuffing a chicken. We'll go ahead and set those aside. And I do have some fresh spinach, and I'm just giving that a little fresh, rough chop. And some Kalamata olives. Of course, they have no pits in there. We're just going to chop those up, and we can set that mixture aside so we can move on and prepare our chicken breasts. I'll be adding on olive oil, fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder, and oregano.
Pinch of salt, not a punch. Garlic powder. Oregano.
Right, all of our spices are added in. We've had some fun. We'll give it a good mix and then set it in the fridge for a couple of hours to leave that marinate. Do me a favor as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the follow button, so you can see more great, easy recipes right from my channel. Okay, next up, we have to prepare that filling. So I'm adding in some garlic to that olive oil, and then, of course, our red onions, spinach, and jalapeno peppers. This is also a great time to add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Be sure to let this mixture cool down before we go ahead and add in our feta cheese and Kalamata olives. Once that's ready, we'll go ahead and give it a good mix, and then we'll proceed on to stuffing our chicken breasts. It's looking beautiful. The flavors, the aromas are just smelling absolutely incredible. Again, please, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can follow my YouTube channel. Now, I am going to create a little bit of a pocket here on the chicken breast. That way I can stuff them full of our great flavorful mixture.
So what we did here is we created a pocket inside that chicken breast so we can add in our mixture here, okay? We're gonna pack that up nice and firmly right inside that chicken breast all the way into the corner, so we're gonna have flavor everywhere. Once that's all packed in, watch, fold up, and then fold over, okay? Nice and tight. I'll do the next. Turn it this way. Pack that right inside. Close it. This guy not as pretty, but that's okay. We're still gonna make it. And we're gonna sear it shut afterwards, okay?
Right, those chicken breasts are nicely stuffed full of our great mixture. We've added in a little bit of olive oil into that nice hot pan, and we're gonna give these a nice good sear all around, and then we're gonna finish off baking them directly in the oven. This is also another opportunity to add a little bit more seasoning right onto those chicken breasts before we pop them in the oven. We'll give them a little turn here, nice and golden brown on one side, and we'll go ahead and do the same on the next chicken breast. Now, depending on your oven, if you're using a regular oven or convection, the cooking time and temperature will vary. I like to go low and slow. If you're looking for a great dinner idea, an easy chicken recipe, this is it. Stuffed chicken, feta cheese, olive, spinach, and a whole bunch of flavor. Look at this right inside of that chicken breast. It looks absolutely delicious. And of course, it tastes even better. Let's see if it gets a triple boom.
Oh yeah. Boom! Opa! Off the charts delicious. Incredible. That's delicious.